Hey, how you doing, everyone? This right here is the package that came in today. I'm pretty excited about this. This is an opportunity for me to add something new to my arsenal. I've been making coin rings for about 4 to 5 years, and I really haven't branched out to learn anything else. But the tools in this box will allow me to do just that, to explore other creative ways to make some products. I have been seeing some other channels that I follow. I've seen them make things like bracelets, earrings, necklaces, and I think it's cool. One day I want to learn that as well. But I've seen some other beautiful things made out of coins. So I start to look through the internet this weekend, and I said, okay, it's time for me to pull some more things out that I see. And the first thing out of this package is this die. It reminds me of some of the stabilizer dies that I use already in making coin rings. So this is what this is. Let's see what else. Can anyone guess exactly what this tool will do? Maybe you need a little bit more footage. So let's see what this is. All right. Taking some time to pull this out. Now, this is one of the first ones. This is pretty heavy. All right. What could this be? Do anyone have a guess? All right. We have another one wrapped up. Let's see exactly what's in this. Okay, what are these tools used for? Can anyone let me know? I purchased this from Creative US. I pretty enjoyed their sites. They have a lot of coin art merchandise there. Creative Ways US. Check them out on Etsy. All right, that's the second piece there. All right, we have some more wrapped up. Let's see what's inside. All right, I don't want to damage anything, so I like the fact that they put it in bubble wrap. And like I said, I ordered this weekend, and it's here already. So they were pretty fast. Okay, this is the next piece. Okay, what could this be? Do anyone have an idea exactly what this package is going to be used for? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and this is the last piece. All right. So we have 4 individual pieces with the base. Okay. What could this be used for? All right. Any guess? Any guesses? All right. So here, guess what? A bell. These tools will help me to make a coin bell. Now, this here was made by my friend, Mr. Doughboy. If anyone go watch his channel, you know that this man makes trinkets and out of coins. So he makes coin bells. He makes locks and everything out of coins. I doubt if he used these tools to make them, but I needed some help. So he made his bells maybe out of a dabbing block, but I found and heard good reviews on tools like this. So that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to try to make coin bells out of these type of tools. So I'll be doing videos showing the process, but I wanted to go on Creative Ways US page to purchase this. I've been looking at it for some time, and I did let them know that I was going to do unboxing. So here we go. I hope that these tools will help me to make bells out of quarters, $50, and 1-ounce coins or rounds. If anybody who's interested in doing this, you can sell your bells from anywhere from $20 to $100, depending on the metal and depending on the design of that coin or round. So go check out on Google about coin bells. And if you're interested in buying a tool that could help you make them, if you have a 1-ton press, you can use it. It was packaged well. There's no paperwork in there for me to show, but I'll make sure all information is down below. Creative Ways US. You can go check out and buy your tools from them. Tell them the JT Coin Ring sent you. It looks like they're made pretty well. I'll tell you, it's pretty sturdy. They're nice and heavy. I don't see any problems, so I'm hoping that in a couple days or so, I'll be making my first coin bell. I made one before. It turned out okay, but I'm looking forward to making more and having them ready for the holidays. So if you like a little coin trinket like this, and it actually works, guys, the way that it's made, you can actually, put it on a tree, your Christmas tree, or give them out as gifts. And they're pretty cool. An actual coin bell. All right, so thank you guys so much for joining me. If you like a coin ring like this right here is something I made recently. This is the Georgia coin, 1999, a 90% silver, minted in San Francisco. And this is what I do on my channel. I take coins, make them to rings. I sell them for a profit, take the profit to buy more coins, and to put some money in my savings. It's a good side business that you can do at home. And adding the bells to it will be pretty cool as well. So guys, thank you so much for joining me through this unboxing. I'm hoping that, hey, I may get somebody else interested in making some things out of coins and precious metals. Check me out, JT Coin Rings. I'll leave all of my information below so you can check out my website and the coin rings of the day. So always you can purchase, okay? But I always also I have some more stuff to show you. This is some silver that I picked up this week. All right, so let me show you what I have here. I have a 1967 40% JFK half dollar. This coin was bought for my friend Mark just in case I needed to make another coin ring for him, because I made a ring for him some time ago and I took it this week to clean. But just in case I needed to get a new coin, I purchased that. All right, I have a 1959 90% quarter. This is going to be made into a coin heart. I'll do a video about that. This right here is an American Silver Eagle round. Okay, this is a replica of the American Silver Eagle, but it's still 0.999 fine silver, but it's a half an ounce. A half an ounce. Makes a pretty good ring still. I like keeping these in my stack. Real inexpensive way to stack. Indigenous American month is in October 18th, 2024. So I purchased some of these rounds. I'll be making these into coin rings. They turn out pretty good. These are half ounce. This one I have here is not real silver, but I like these rounds as well, because usually I make these out of coin rings just to see how they would turn out before I actually use the real metal. So you see that is the fake one. This is a real silver round. Turned out to be pretty good too. Then I purchased another one for my stack. One I'll make a ring out of, and the other one I'll leave right into my stack. So here we have here the Buffalo. And look at this one. Have you ever seen one of these silver before? This right here is pretty cool. This is a 1/4 ounce, 0.999 fine silver. I thought it was cool, so I couldn't let that one go. Got that one too. So I brought some other silver bars. These bars are from the United States commemorative. What is that? I forgot. I can't read it. Anyway, It's so small I can't read it. They're from the United States Commemorative Gallery. There we go. My eyes won't fail me. They are 1/4 ounce. I thought it'd be pretty cool to stack these. Get silver while you can in any denomination. You can use these along with coin rings and coins for your stack as long as it's precious metals. Check them out. But guys, that's it for me today. If you like a coin ring, go check me out at jtcoinrings.com. Hit me up by email if you want something particular at jtcoinrings@gmail.com. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you around.